Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog from a car. What are we even doing in a car here? Like, what is my life? And happy birthday if today is your birthday. Yes, that's right, I am in a car. Guys, I feel like so lost. I have not vlogged in over a week. I like don't even know what day it is for you. I think that it's Friday, so happy Friday. I hope that that's right. Yeah, it feels so weird that I haven't vlogged in so long, like 8 days, 8 or 9 days, something like that. So sorry about this turn signal. I guess it's sort of annoying. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm just sitting in a very long line for Starbucks right now. Yeah, so I'm just really briefly gonna touch on why I didn't vlog, because I feel like a lot of people maybe assumed it was about my last video that went up, but that was just purely coincidence. If you missed it, or I guess it by now it's 2 videos ago, but anyway, I was just talking about like unrealistic influencer standards and people, you know, putting unrealistic standards on me at times and, you know, stuff like that. And that really was just a little rant. It certainly would not have stopped me from vlogging for a week. So I'm gonna keep this short and sweet and brief, and I'm not going to get into details. This is the only time that you'll really hear me talk about it. Unfortunately, last weekend, Connor and I found out that his best friend from law school passed away very suddenly. As you can imagine, that was really hard for Connor. And of course, I had spent a lot of time with this person as well. It was a big shock, and last week was a really hard week. So we have been dealing with that, and I was not in a place that I wanted to be filming videos and acting like things were normal, and I also did not want to talk about it too much in my videos. So that's where we are right now with that, and that is the reason why you haven't heard from me in a little while. So anyway, that's really all I'm gonna say on that. The funeral was this weekend in Palm Springs, which is why we rented the car, so that we could get there and home. And you know, we're just in the process of healing, so also, you know, bear with us if at any time things, you know, don't seem quite the way that they normally do, or hold on, we're going over a bump here. Or if, you know, Connor is not in the vlogs as often right now. I don't know whether he will or won't be, but, you know, I just wanted to throw it out there. That's why I didn't vlog last week. So I'm on my way to drop off the rental car, and then today's just gonna be like so mad. It's gonna be so crazy. I just, you know, really fell behind on a lot of work this week. And so there's a lot that needs to get done. It's just gonna be, it's been madness since I woke up at 8 a.m. So I am expecting nothing but more madness. I have to say, guys, Connor and I loved this car. It's like a Hyundai something. I don't even know what it is. It drives so nicely, and we were just like, oh, we want a car. We really do want to get a car this year. It's definitely on our list of to-dos, but it just obviously hasn't happened yet. Hopefully by the end of this year we have a car. We're gonna see what happens. Anyway, I'm gonna grab my Starbucks now. Figured might as well take advantage of having a car and pop through a drive-through while I can, although this line is like not very time efficient, I have to say. Maybe we should just park and go inside. Do you think that'd be quicker? Probably, but now I just sat in line here for so long. Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna stay in the car.
Good morning. Thank you so much for choosing Starbucks today.
If I could get a venti iced chai tea latte.
Absolutely. Anything else?
Could I get that with non-fat milk and sugar-free vanilla, please?
Sure.
Oh wow, it's moving so fast now. There must have been like, I don't know why it would do that, to be honest.
There we go, miss.
Great, thank you so much.
Day.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Hi, for Jill. Great, thank you. Finished making lunch. Just made a little mini veggie bowl. It really is sort of small because we're all out of groceries, but we're getting groceries delivered today, so that's good. Just pulling a Molly cat hair out of there. Classic. I literally got home and just have been like working nonstop, just trying to make it through my to-do list. I'm so behind, but we're actually making really good progress here. I don't think that I'll have to work too late, just because I've really like kept my head down and gotten a ton done. So going to just continue with that momentum this afternoon. It's 3 p.m. I'm just getting to lunch now, so I'm gonna put a little something on. I also was supposed to be working in the office today, and I've gotten like in the office. No, this is the bedroom. Still have to set up the office. I was supposed to be working in the bedroom today and Connor in the living room, but I just got so into work that I didn't even like end up moving in here. I just have been like in my computer. So I also want to move in here and be able to focus in even more on stuff. All right, some Kardashians. Let's do it. Groceries just got here, so I'm about to unload these. I don't even think I'm gonna do a haul though, because we really got all of like the usual stuff. Nothing different or weird or anything. Got another giant box of goldfish. Honestly, I really have to like stop buying these because we go through it way too quickly because we think we can eat as much as we want since we have an unlimited supply, but we have to control ourselves a little bit more. By the way, you guys, Connor and I went back to the farmer's market yesterday and got some more really pretty flowers. So we have these guys and our little pig and some more over here. Hello, Molly Cat. Just interesting. Look at how pretty these look though.
I think might be our prettiest ones yet.
Yeah, I absolutely love them. They're so, so, so pretty. Big fan. 5 p.m., not done with work yet. Just waving a knife around. Not finished with work yet today, but I did really quickly want to open this Amazon box. I only know one thing that's in here, and I know that I'll like remember as soon as I see what the other thing is, but I can't remember off the top of my head. Oh yeah. It's not even really exciting. So first up, got just a refill of my chai tea pods. I buy it in bulk like this. Nothing that exciting there, nor is this that exciting. Oh, it's bigger than I wanted it to be, but that's okay. Got a fresh notebook because my notebook that I write all my to-do lists in, I only have 1 page left. Literally just this 1 page here. So I'm going to use this for the next 2 days, and then we're going to be transferring over to a new book. I was hoping that it would be the same size because I do like the size of this. It's obviously quite a bit bigger, but that's okay. Got it in this cute little pink color. I'll link this down below for you guys. I can't believe that I've filled up literally this entire book with just to-do lists. Let's see when the first one was. October 28th of 2020. It's not even that long ago, is it? 5 months? The fact that I filled up a whole notebook in 5 months, it's a lot of to-do lists. Enough of me blabbing on about my notebook. Let me just hop back into work and get this ish over with because I just want to be done with work ASAP, of course, as always. Just checked the mailroom and I had 2 packages there, one from Liquid IV, so got a refill of my strawberry, which is my favorite. I always have this link down below with a discount code, so I mean, I seriously just can't say enough good things about this stuff. Connor and I love it so much. We go through it so quickly, so big thank you to them. And then I also got this sweatshirt, which I am so excited about. It's a cute little green color and it says health and wellness. And this was actually sent from a follower of mine. Her name is Kaya and she wrote me this really sweet note, and she actually does really cool workout stuff on her page. I've chatted with her quite a bit on Instagram, so I will try to remember to link her Instagram down below, but if I forget, please remind me in the comments. So that was really sweet, and I'm a total sweatshirt addict, so I will definitely be rocking this, and perfect for our new little Monday health and wellness series that we're doing, so very excited. All right, Connor and I are making a salmon bowl. We're doing a classic make dinner, listen to music night, which is always so fun. And I'm gonna get some rice going, chop some veggies. It's gonna be very good. All right, dinner is served. I went a little bit more Mexican tonight, which is unusual for me. I'm always going Asian. So we are about to dive into this. We have our wine on lock, which is tasting so good right now. I haven't had wine in actually quite a while.
Usually don't drink wine on Mondays.
Oh my God, never.
We usually never drink.
Yeah, but I was really craving it, and man, is it hitting the spot.
And a glass of wine at dinner, why not?
Exactly.
Playing some music.
And now I think we're going to go back into some more All or Nothing. I forget if I don't think I was vlogging when we started this, but we started a new season.
The original season.
Yeah, the very first season. It's about the Arizona Cardinals, and it's really interesting. I really enjoy sports documentaries, I've come to learn, so.
Which is great. Big win for me.
I gotta start sprinkling in some murder docs for Connor too, so that there's a little bit of something we both love.
Apparently they're doing like I'm so down.
Yeah, murder docs are so fun. So we're gonna dive into some of that, and some of this delicious food. Hello everyone, it's actually the next day, but I just felt like this vlog needed like one more little piece of content mixed in here, so I'm just gonna show you what I'm currently doing with my hair post-shower, and we're gonna sort of leave it at that. So let's do it. Just start with a microfiber towel, and I just sort of scrunch some water out of my hair. Next up, I'm going to go in with my The Way curl cream. You guys know that I'm very into this product right now, and I'm using a pretty generous amount. Okay, and next we're gonna go in with the Denman brush. I feel like I have this technique down a little bit better, obviously, than the first time you saw me use it, and I have a little bit of a better understanding of how I like to utilize this brush. So I just sort of section my hair into two sides and use a clip just to hold this side out of the way. And then I just start going through here, and I use another clip just to keep what has been used on the Denman brush and what hasn't sort of separated. Just go in with it, brush it through, and I just twist my way down, and then I grab it and sort of shake it out a little, toss it away. Denman brush complete, and now one step to go. This is the newest item in my routine. It's Twist by Udad. I don't even know if that's how you say that, but I think so. Udad? I don't know. Anyway, this is their Ready, Set, Bounce Soft Hold Gel, and it's really good. Literally says extra moisture for curls on there, so loving this. And what I do is just keep my hair in two sections and use a lot. Like, I did not use enough the first time I tried this product, and it made such a difference when I used a pretty heavy amount of it. So I'm literally just like pulling down on my hair like this and then scrunching up. And there you go, and I'll let you guys know how it looks when it dries. Okay, checking in to show you sort of my final hair. Here is what it looks like when it just is totally air dried on its own. Let me turn the brightness up a little so that you guys can really get a good vibe. Obviously, we still have some of these straight ends, and especially in the front here, so just have to ignore that. But you can see how nice and defined it makes my curls look. It really like holds super nicely and is really easy to touch up on a day-to-day basis. And my hair does not feel crunchy or weird or anything like that from the gel, which I really love. I didn't even know soft gel was a thing, but someone in my DMs told me about it, so thank you to that person if you happen to be watching this. I'm a big fan of what this does to my hair, and you know, like when I just have my hair pulled back like this, it looks awesome. I really, really like it. So I'm a big fan of how this routine has been going. It doesn't take too long, all things considered. And so I really can't complain. And that's it. I'm just gonna go ahead and end it here. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.